Hey, this is Sachin Bharti and you're watching my YouTube channel Homeopathic Stuff. So guys, in this video I will discuss about one of the most common disease condition, bronchitis. So let's start the video.
अगर चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बगल के बेल आइकन को दबा दें जिससे कि आने वाले सभी इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आपको नोटिफिकेशन में आ जाए।
तो गाइस, ब्रोंकाइटिस बताने से पहले मैं आपको नॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर और एनाटॉमी ऑफ रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम बता देता हूँ, जिससे आपको पैथोलॉजिकल चेंजेस समझ में आ जाएंगी।
The respiratory system is divided into two main components, upper respiratory tract and lower respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract composed of the nose, pharynx, larynx and the organ of upper respiratory tracts are located outside the chest cavity. The lower respiratory tract composed of the trachea, all segments of the bronchial tree including the alveoli. The organs of the lower respiratory tracts are located inside the chest cavity.
तो गाइस, तो आप पूछेंगे ब्रोंकाइटिस क्या है। तो ब्रोंकाइटिस ऐसी कंडीशन है गाइस जिसमें जो ब्रोंकियल ट्यूब होते हैं आपके, वो इन्फ्लेम्ड हो जाते हैं, स्वेल हो जाते हैं और वहाँ से म्यूकस प्रोडक्शन निकलने होता है। इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द टाइप्स, देन देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ ब्रोंकाइटिस। फर्स्ट वन इज acute bronchitis and second one is chronic bronchitis.
Acute bronchitis can either be of brief duration or it is usually caused by the viral infection but can also be caused by the bacterial infection and it can be healed without complication. Chronic bronchitis is a sign of serious lung disease that may be slowed but cannot be cured. So guys, now we'll see the causes of bronchitis. Causes of acute bronchitis include viral and bacterial infections, environmental factors, and other lung conditions. Viruses cause 85 to 95% of acute bronchitis cases in adults. The same viruses that cause the common cold or flu can cause acute bronchitis. In rare cases, bacterial bronchitis can develop after a viral infection of bronchitis. This can result from the infection by bacteria such as Mycoplasma pneumoniae, Chlamydia pneumoniae. Environmental factors: breathing in irritants such as gases, chemical fumes, and the smoking are the causes of inflammation of bronchial tube. Other lung conditions like asthma sometimes develops acute bronchitis. एंड अगर आपको अस्थमा नहीं पता है तो मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियो देख सकते हैं।
अब आप पूछेंगे गाइस, व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ ब्रोंकाइटिस।
एक्यूट ब्रोंकाइटिस के सिम्टम्स होते हैं बॉडी एक, इट कैन बी सीवियर और माइल्ड, चिलीनेस, लो ग्रेड फीवर, रनी और स्टफी नोज, सोर थ्रोट, क्रोनिक ब्रोंकाइटिस के सिम्टम्स होते हैं चेस्ट कंजेशन, कफ एंड व्हीजिंग साउंड। Now we'll see the diagnosis of bronchitis. Doctor will ask about the symptoms, in particular the cough. They may also ask about the patient medical history, whether they have been recently suffered from a cold or flu, whether they have smoked, or whether they have been exposed to substances such as dust, fumes, vapors, or air pollution. Doctor will usually use a stethoscope to listen any abnormal sound in the lungs. They may also examine mucus or the oxygen level in the blood. They may also recommend a chest X-ray, pulmonary lung function test or blood test. तो गाइस, अब हम यहाँ पे बेसिक ट्रीटमेंट देखेंगे। First, drink lots of water to stop bronchitis naturally. Second, lie down on slanted cushion board to get relief from bronchitis. Third, salt water gargling to get rid of bronchitis fast. Fourth, use honey as expectorant to quickly stop bronchitis pain. Fifth, take rest to avoid flare-ups of bronchitis attack. Homeopathic remedies are Bryonia, Causticum, Ensatilla, and Intimtat. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.